What's up guys, Mitch, Dynamite Diesel Products, and this is going to be an install video on our fuel pin for the first gen trucks. So we've got our 89 non-intercooled truck we're going to work on, and let's get going on this fuel pin. Alright guys, so tools, we got a ratchet, 12 millimeter for the AFC line, 10 millimeter for the hold down nut. We got a screwdriver for the pump top and as a pry bar. So if you guys have a chisel, that's probably better. And a hammer to get that stuff loose. All right, guys. So this is our DDP fuel pin for the first gens. You can see it's got a decent little profile. It's got a lot more max travel than a stock one does. So let's go ahead and get this installed. Okay, so we're gonna start off. We gotta get this cover, this little safety cover off. There, screwdriver, and we're gonna break these all loose. Okay, I already have this AFC line broke loose, so we'll go ahead and loosen it. Make sure that you catch the little copper washers on the banjo bolt. Pull it out, and I'm just going to take them off, put it back on, set that to the side. Okay, now we're totally ready to pull the top off. There we go. So there's your AFC top. That's your smoke screw. So smoke screw is technically a pre-boost fueling screw. So this controls how much fuel the pump is delivering with zero boost applied. And then right here under the diaphragm, there it is. There is our little stock fuel pin, and you can see it's been riding in, looks like one spot. It's definitely never been off of here before. So there's our AFC spring, a little plastic washer. Okay, come with me and let's swap this thing out. All right, so yeah, you can see that has got some old crusty grease on it. Like, this truck is from 89. This thing is a year older than me. I've been feeling old lately, so this truck's real old. 10 millimeter. We'll grab a 10 mil wrench, and you're just gonna loosen this nut. And it does have a little wavy washer underneath. And then just, there you go. So there's your stock pin. And it does have different profiles, like depending on where it is spun around. So I'm sure, you know, for like a tractor or different like applications this thing would have been used in from the factory, Bosch would have put it in different locations. So we are going to swap that out for this majestic piece of art. And let's get this thing swapped back in. So don't forget your little wavy washer. Still a 10 millimeter. And this doesn't have to be like, doesn't need to be gorilla tight, just snug. Okay, just like that. Let's go put it back in. All right, so we'll take our little plastic washer, our AFC spring, and we're just going to put it right back in. There is the fuel rod that reaches this, faces the front, comes from the front of the motor. So like, I don't know how you want to look at it, like 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock kind of deal. So like if the motor's like a clock, 12 and 6, so your profile needs to go and match that 12 and 6. So that just goes in just like that. And it's just a reverse process. Take the lid. Obviously it's got a little bit of spring pressure. Hold that down, throw some screws in it. Okay. Our AFC bolt. One washer on each side of the banjo. Okay, and just like that. Well, that's the fuel pin install on the first gen truck. So I'm Mitch, this is Dynamite Diesel. We'll see you later.